Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you connect Google Nest Mini with Home app on your Android or an iPhone. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now be it your iPhone or an Android, the procedure will remain the same. You simply want to install Google Home application on your device. Once installed, you want to click on Get Started in order to begin with the creation of your account. After which, what you have to do is you want to simply choose your Google account and click on OK. Moving on, you want to make sure to go ahead and create home, so click on Get Started. Done it, so there you could actually go ahead and click on Add to Home. Next field, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to give a name and click on Continue. As you've done it, so then here on this page, what you want to do is you want to click on Setup Device. As you click on Setup Device, you want to simply click on New Device, right? And when you click on New Device, you want to go ahead and make sure to select your Samsung Google. You want to make sure to click on the Google Nest and tap the next button, follow the on-screen prompt, and they've successfully connected Google Nest Mini with Google Home app. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.